Right? So we are using a milder term, administrative egoism. That means that we are rational, we are working for the society. Society is non-rational. They don't deserve to enjoy that power, that privilege that we are enjoying. So they start believing that way. Right? Even if you meet today also any bureaucrat, see, they will be very critical of the political class and the society both. Right? Even though they are working for them only, but they all will be critical of the political class. Right? Now they are scared that they cannot criticize the government. Right? So now they are changing their language. But normally they will portray themselves as intellectuals. Right? Alag committee आई थी on administrative reforms. Recently आई थी 𝘁cie alag committee on civil service reforms in India. Right? It has used the same phrase. By normally the bureaucrats suffer from administrative egoism. So they believe whatever they are doing, whatever they are thinking is rational, whatever everyone else is doing is non-rational. So administrative egoism is also a heightened sense of self-worth or one's image, right, as a system. And they generally try to control everything.